A new case of whooping cough has been confirmed at Lafayette High School here in Lexington. Local health leaders are working with Fayette County schools to inform caregivers about the threat of whooping cough, also known as pertussis. The disease is spread through coughing and sneezing. It affects people of all ages, but can be most serious in infants and those with chronic diseases.
With pertussis, the key is early recognition and initiation of antibiotics. One of the few infections we see like this that do require antibiotics. And the key is it does shorten the infection, but also, most importantly, decreases that risk of spread to others.
Since late April, 2 cases have been confirmed at Bryan Station High School and 1 at Lexington Catholic High School. It's still unclear if there's a connection between the cases.